Hello, Dan here with a quick video on this, the HelloBaby HB40 camera, which we've had in our little one's bedroom for about 4 weeks now. We chose this one because we needed something to keep an eye on her while she's sleeping at night, just make sure she's okay. Something my wife wanted, and you can see it right here. So it's got this little mount here on the stand, so that's actually extra, that's not part of the set. We bought that separately, but just allows us to attach it to the curtain pole in this case, could be the crib or a door handle or something, but it just means we don't have to use the kind of the bottom connector space here to put holes in the walls for an actual wall mounting, so we really liked that. But the camera itself is really cool. You can see just on the bottom we've got these little white padded feet, so it doesn't kind of scratch surfaces. If you say put it on a windowsill or something, you can see just here then, so we've got the power cable plugged in. It does require a plug and power, and the cable itself comes all the way down to the plug just down there. So it's a pretty decent length cable. It's kind of gone from the floor basically up to pretty close to the ceiling, as you can see. We've got the antenna just here, so there is a direct antenna connection between this and the handheld unit. There's no Wi-Fi or anything required. If we look on the other side, you can see we've got this little bit just here. This little bit that sticks out is the thermometer. Yeah, the whole camera has a 360-degree view. You can go up, down, left, right. So yeah, generally the camera itself has been really impressive. We've really liked a lot of the features. Yeah, pretty good. You can see there is Bluey just sat on the bed. Let's go check out the handheld unit. And here we are in the lounge. Here is the handheld unit. You can see we've got this nice big screen. This is actually one of the main reasons my wife liked this. It's because it kind of emulates an actual mobile phone device. You can see it is currently stood up on this little stand, which you don't have to use. It just kind of goes in or out. But that's pretty cool because you can stand it obviously up on any surface, and I've turned it on by accident. You can see right there is Bluey. So you got the power button. See how responsive it is. So yeah, really cool. You've got these really nice like big buttons. You can kind of see it in comparison to my hand just there. Gives you a bit of an idea of the size of the buttons, which is pretty cool. And if you press the menu button just here, then you get all the different features that come up as well, so that you can have a bit of a play with. Let's just get rid of that now. Obviously, if you don't want to leave it here plugged in on the rechargeable battery, which you can see just there, plugs in there. Obviously you can pick it up and take it around and put it wherever it is that you like, but overall we've really liked this. It's been a great little addition. Battery life is really good on this, so yeah, hopefully this helps you out.